So we have luggage, but not the guests.
So this is what the room type?
That's a junior suite.
Junior suite.
So that's like the suite, but a little bit smaller.
Oh, still not bad.
Yes.
Still not bad.
So that's the one you booked last time for
Yeah.
the family.
Да. Да, people very like. They now live in Marbella.
Oh, how lucky they are.
Да, we book for them. They live in penthouse.
Oh yeah?
1 year.
1 year.
So.
I will open there.
So.
And from here you have the direct access to the gardens and also to the pool and the greenhouse.
So now sun is coming.
Yes, that's right. Fingers crossed. Let's say here.
So nothing beautiful than rain and sun.
And storm
No, storm is gone.
on the mountain.
Storm was until 3 p.m.
But we need a bit of rain. We had a very dry winter.
Rain very good. Very good. It's you're in less great stable, right?
Yes. Exactly. And we have the bedroom size. So here is 2 adults and a child under 12.
Так, so bedroom.
And you also have the connection to the bathroom.